How to add collections with tags to your menu with your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. And I will show you step by step how to actually create your collections with tags and how to have it in your menu real quick. It's going to be very straightforward. So the first thing is actually creating um, the actual collection. So we can just go to the products section, have our products, and make sure they have the specific tag that we want for our collection. Therefore, this way, obviously, when we create this specific collection, any product with a specific tag is automatically going to be moved to that collection. So we can just go to collections now, and we want to just go ahead and create a new one. I'm just going to name it colors for the time being, and we want to just go to automated, and we want to the condition to be product tag is equal to, and I'm just going to add the tag colors. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm just going to save. If you want to add an image to it, it's completely up to you. I'm personally not going to do that right now. But yeah, we have this collection ready to go. I'm just going to click on save. And now basically we should have this collection, and anything or any product that has the tag colors is going to be added to it. As you can see, purple and red do have the tag colors, so they are pretty much in it. Now this is step one done, which is actually just creating the collection. Now to actually have it in your online store as in your menu or your main navigation, as you can see here, we have the home, catalog, and more stuff here, contact, and so on. But we want to have our collection in there. We would need to basically click on online store, and we need to go to navigation. And from navigation, we would basically want to click on the main menu navigation over here, and we want to add a menu item. So just click on add menu item. And then from here, we will give it a name. So I'm just going to add colors as the name of it. And we want to basically click on search or paste a link. You want to click on collections. And then here is going to be the list of all the collections that you have currently for your Shopify store. I'm just going to select this one right here, which is the one that we have just created, colors. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on add on the bottom here. So I'm just going to click on add and click on save menu. You can also rearrange it, so if you want it to be the first thing in the menu, second thing, and so on. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on save menu. And now we're pretty much good to go. Now the collection is in our menu, and if you wanted to view it, we can just go to view your online store. It just takes a little bit of time to load, so maybe we don't actually see it. But nope, it's actually in here, so we can see homepage and colors over here. If people click on it, they will be taken to the page, the collection page of this. So this is pretty much how to add your collections to your menu in your Shopify store. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.